Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about the role of infrastructure development in our country toward achieving the $5 trillion economy. As we know that our government of India has set the target to become a $5 trillion economy by the 2028-2030. So this is a very big thing, how important infrastructure is there. Firstly, I would like to start with the static, which says that infrastructures or this logistic cost in India is around 13%. That is higher than the country like China and USA, where it is 8 and 9%. So we have to see that if logistic cost in our country is high, then it will be de-incentivizing the many countries from the foreign country, and they will not do much investment in our country, and commercialization of setting the foreign industries and companies in our country, that will definitely go down. In 2023, the total investment that we got, it was around $70 billion. That was not that high as compared to some other country like the China. So firstly, let us discuss that what are the government initiative to improve the infrastructure in our country. Starting from the first master plan, that is a PM Gati Shakti. So this is a initiative under which port will be developed, interconnectivity between the port will be ensured. Apart from the construction of the road, pipelines will be done in a very collaborative manner, so that once road is constructed, later the demolition of road should not take place to lay down the pipeline. So this is a very joint or integrated kind of initiative under which the 15-16 ministry, they will come together, and whatever they will be developing, it will be developed in corporations, in each other consultation will be taken. So that is a very good, and this is a master plan, I would say. And apart from that, smart city program in 2015 to develop and to make the city smart, ensure there is a lot of infrastructure development that is happening in the city. Apart from that, government of India started the vibrant village program, under which more than 600 districts of the state along the border, they will be covered, where the infrastructure will be developed, and it will be ensured that connectivity to the rest of India remain very good. So this is a very good step, and we are having the special freight corridor is made, under which the movement of the flight will be seamless, it will be very fast, and government is starting the Vande Bharat train, whose speed is around maximum around 180 km/h. It shows that if good connectivity will be there, then automatically people movement will be very high. It will give a huge boost to the economic activity, and that will also incentivize the other foreign companies to come India to invest in India, and low logistic costs will also help them to transport their shipment, and also the India to get the same product at a very cheap price. So infrastructure play a very important role. Now talking about the road infrastructures, definitely road infrastructure is constantly improving, but lot more work need to be done, because in a rural area it is quite poor. In hilly area like northeast or northern part of India, road infrastructure is worse, and because of the many climatic changes, it further keep going down because of the flood and some other instances. As of now, we are in the 44 expressway that need to be increased, apart from that, if I talk about the rail infrastructure in our country, the special freight corridor is the right direction. Vande Bharat is also another thing, and apart from that, laying the more track and increasing the length of Indian Railway is a very good thing. Now talking about the air connectivity or air infrastructures, it has got little push after the government of India's initiative Udan, Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik, under which it is made so affordable for the common people that they can take flight and they can go to any part of the country. And developing the more and more airport is a great initiative. I can just give a static that in 2014 we were having a 74 airport, but now it is more than 157, 58. So it showed that how there is more than double increase in airport. Further focus need to be done, so we have to say it. Unfortunately, there are some challenges that is associated with the rail, because every year we see more and more accident keep happening. Last year there were around 44 rail accident took place, and Walasore accident was one of the fatal accident in this year, where more than 200 people died. And with the road also issue is there, because if I take the data from the 2023, in which more around 4 lakh road accident incident took place, in which the more than 1.4 lakh people die. It clearly shows that poor infrastructure is something that need to be done. And where these accidents happening, most of the time accident happening in the turning point. It is happening because of the bad weather, because of the bad condition of the road. Yeah, speeding, over speeding, driving after drinking, these are also the reason they still exist there. Apart from that, if I talk about kind of infrastructure push that we are giving out of India, like starting from the India, Myanmar, Thailand. So this is infrastructure connectivity that we want to do with the ASEAN country, and we are having Kaladan multimodal project is there. Apart from that, we are developing a Chittagong port and Monglo port of Bangladesh, and Sitbe port in Myanmar. So this is just connecting mainland India to the northeastern state. And now we are in Akhara Agartala railway link to connect mainland India to the northeastern state. And apart from that, if I talk about sea connectivity, Samudramala is one of the great initiative. We will be developing our port so that taking, going will be easy. And Adani is going to make a biggest port in our country. That will also give a huge push, because a huge amount, around 70-80% of our big shipment, we unload it in the Sri Lanka. We are not having that good port in our own country for the large shipment. Apart from that, we are developing the Chahabar port in Iran to connect to the Afghanistan, to the Central Asians and Europe. And we have also working over international north-south transportation corridor. And most recently in 2023, when we hosted the G20, on the sideline of G20, we have starting the IMEC initiative with the various countries, also including United States of America, which will give connectivity to the our country to the Europe through the West Asia. And that will be a very good alternative to the Suez Canal, which is one of the busiest canal, and where around the 11% of the total world trade passes through. So it is a choke point. We need to overcome it, and for that we are doing it. So these are the few major both domestic and international steps that government is taking to develop the infrastructure. Infrastructure is a very important to ensure there is a seamless connectivity of the people, of the goods, and also of the many products. So I'm going to conclude my this thing here by saying that infrastructure is a backbone to developing the country. Thank you.